Hello students, this is also friction, block friction problem. Determine the force P required to cause the motion of the block to impede and take the weights A as, there are two blocks A and B. A as 90 Newton, the weight of block A is 90 Newton and the weight of block B is 45 Newton. Take quotient of all surfaces as 0.25. These are all given details. It's also important problem. It is question paper problem. So first we have to write the free body diagram. How to write the free body diagram? We have to write the free body diagram separately for block A and block B. First I am going to write the free body diagram for block A. FBD for block A. Block A. So block A is here. Block A. So the angle is 30 degree. We know that by angle of repose concept, whatever the weight acts at CG. So WA is 90 Newton, and whatever the angle here, so repose, by the concept of angle of repose, the 30 degree shifted to here, and this is the reaction because of this action weight. There is a reaction RA, and this is a tensile force because the cable string, therefore this is string T, and because here you are having force P, you are applying force P here, because of this force P, the block is trying to move in this direction, therefore the friction will develop in opposite direction. The frictional force is mu times of RA. This is the free body diagram for block A. FBD for block A. This is FBD for block A. Similarly, I am going to write FBD for block B. So the same 30 Newton. Here we are having block B. The weight of block B is 45 Newton, and the angle of, I am just using the same concept of angle of repose, 30 degree. I am shifting the 30 degree here also, same thing, because both A and B are placed on inclined plane. Blocks are placed on inclined plane. That's why the weights, I am just reposing the whatever the inclined angles. Next, here there is a reaction. So this is RB, and here you are having tension. So tension. So there is no force. in this direction. Only tension. The block will try to move in this direction. Therefore, the friction will create in opposite direction. That is mu into RB. So this is the free body diagram for A and B. Now we have to observe both A and B. Which free body diagram? This is FBD for block B. FBD for block B. Now we have to observe both the blocks which is having least number of unknowns. That first we have to consider for the analysis. That block. So here RB is unknown, T is unknown. So FBD of B is having only two unknowns. But if you come to block A, RA is unknown, T is unknown, as well as P is unknown. So it is having three unknowns. So it's a concurrent force system. All forces acting at a single point. So hence the equations of equilibrium are only two. Hence we have to consider first block B. Consider block B. Why? Because the block B having only two number of unknowns. So for concurrent force system, the equations of equilibrium are only two. Sigma Fx equals 0 and sigma Fy equals 0. So here you are having three unknowns, T, RA, P. Here only two unknowns, T and RB. Now I am considering the free body diagram for RB. So this is the block. So here you are having weight. First weight, the weight is 45 Newton. Block B weight 45 Newton, and the angle is 30 degree with respect to vertical. And here you are having reaction RB, and this is mu into RB. Mu value is 0.25. 0.25 into RB, and here you are having T in this direction. So this is only the diagram, free body diagram. I have just taken horizontally. The inclined surface I have just taken horizontally. So now you just resolve these two forces. Resolve these two forces. Resolve these two forces. You are getting 45 sin 30 degree and 45 cos 30 degree. So only one inclined force, right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 forces. 1, 2, 3, 4 forces. Okay. Now apply sigma fx equals 0. Sigma fx equals 0 and sigma fy equals 0. First condition I am taking sigma fy equals 0. All upward forces are positive and all downward forces are negative for fy. So minus 45 cos 30 minus 45 cos 30 plus RB equals 0. What is the value of RB? RB equals 45 cos 30.
38.97.
38.97 Newton or 39 Newton. Clear? Now I am applying sigma fx equals 0. For this, all right side forces are positive and all left side forces are negative. So here 1, 2, 3 forces. Therefore minus 45 sin 30 minus 45 sin 30 plus T minus 0.25 times the RB. RB value is 38.97. 38.97 equals 0. So what is T value? T equals 45 sin 30 plus 0.25 times of 39. 45 sin 30 plus 0.25 times of 38.97.
32.25.
32.25 Newton. 32.25 Newton. Now consider block A. Consider block A. Consider free body diagram of block A. This is weight A. Weight A is 90 Newton. 90 Newton, and the angle of inclination is 30 degree, and we are having T value. T, one more T, tension. T value is 32.25 Newton, and one more we are having the reaction RA, and one more unknown force P, therefore friction 0.25 times of RA. So this is the free body diagram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forces. Now we will resolve this inclined force into purely horizontal and purely vertical forces. This is 90 sin 30 and this is 90 cos 30. 90 sin 30, 90 cos 30. Now apply sigma Fy equals 0. Fy equals 0. All vertical forces are positive. Upward forces, downward forces are negative. Here 1, 2. Only two vertical forces. Plus RA minus 90 cos 30. 90 cos 30 equals 0. So compute the value of RA. What is the value of 90 cos 30? What is the value of 90 cos 30?
77.94.
77.94 Newton. 77.94 Newton. So this is the value of RA. Now apply sigma Fx equals 0. Sigma Fx equals 0 for all horizontal forces positive, left side negative. Therefore minus P plus 32.25 minus 90 sin 30 plus 0.25 times of RA. RA value is 77.94 equals 0. So compute the value of P. P equals 32.25 minus 90 sin 30 plus 0.25 times of 77.94. It's a direct problem. What is the value of 32.25 minus 90 sin 30?
6.735.
Total 6.735 Newton. So this is the P value. So 32.25 minus 90 sin 30 plus 0.25 multiplied by 77.94. This is the p value required to cause impedance of the motion of block. To cause impedance of the motion of block. So this is very simple problem, 10 marks problem. So there are two blocks on inclined plane. First write the free body diagram. While writing the string taken as tension and P is unknown force. This P is we have to require to compute. So when P is moving in this direction, friction will develop in opposite direction. Mu value for all contact surfaces are given as 0.25. I have considered, and whatever the inclination. This is very important because we have to on inclined plane when the blocks are given, we have to use the concept angle of repose. Whatever the angle 30 degree, the weights are inclined at same with respect to vertical 30. And finally we have to consider free body diagram separately, apply equations of statics, sigma fx equals 0 and sigma fy equals 0. Finally we are getting the answers. It's a very simple step and very important problem. Thank you.